So I figure I'll show y'all my first ever wash and go on my new haircut. Yeah, just a little quick tutorial just to give y'all an idea of how I do it on my 4C hair because I feel like my hair does not curl at all. So I was very, very impressed with the way these products and everything turned out. Now I'm just going to section off the back pieces of my hair and the front pieces of my hair so that way I can just begin by finger coiling the back. It was just easy for me to do it that way instead of using the Denman brush and trying to comb through that because it's so small in the back. Now for my finger coils, I'm going to thoroughly spray the back of my head with water, and I'm using two products on my hair, which is the Cantu coconut curling cream, and I am also using the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink curling elongating flaxseed gel. Now for the front of my hair, I am just going to spray again my hair with water, use those same two products I use for the finger coils, and instead of doing finger coils in the front, I'm just going to use my Denman brush to detangle the hair and just leave that curl as it is and pretty much just use a diffuser at the end to diffuse my hair. Yes, come through wash and go and color. Do y'all see how defined these curls are popping? Yes. Well, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.